everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An indoor kitchen garden is more than just a few pots on a windowsill. It is a dedicated, functional ecosystem integrated directly into the heart of your home. It represents the intentional practice of growing edible plants, such as herbs, microgreens, and small vegetables, within the kitchen environment. Unlike ornamental houseplants, a kitchen garden is designed for utility and convenience, blurring the lines between interior design and sustainable food production. It serves as a living pantry that provides immediate access to fresh ingredients while simultaneously acting as a vibrant, natural element of your home decor. The advantages of cultivating a garden in your kitchen are vast, ranging from health benefits to economic savings. Primarily, it ensures that you have access to the freshest, most nutrient-dense greens possible, free from the pesticides and plastic packaging found in store-bought produce. Beyond nutrition, the presence of living plants significantly improves indoor air quality by filtering toxins and increasing oxygen levels. There is also a profound psychological benefit. The act of nurturing plants and the sight of lush greenery can reduce stress and boost your mood during daily meal prep. Furthermore, it is a sustainable choice that reduces your carbon footprint and saves money on expensive grocery store herb bundles that often go to waste. Decorating your kitchen garden requires a balance between functionality and aesthetic harmony. To make it look stunning, consider using cohesive planters that match your kitchen's hardware or color palette. Think sleek matte black pots for a modern look or terracotta for a rustic vibe. Utilize vertical space by installing floating wooden shelves or hanging macrame planters to create layers of greenery without cluttering your countertops. Lighting is also a key decorative element. Sleek, integrated LED grow lights can act as accent lighting, highlighting your plants like pieces of art. Mixing different textures, such as the feathery leaves of dill with the broad, glossy leaves of basil, adds visual depth and makes the garden feel like a curated botanical display. When choosing plants for your kitchen, focus on varieties that thrive in indoor conditions and offer high culinary value. Herbs are the undisputed champions of the indoor garden. Basil, mint, parsley, rosemary, and thyme are resilient and frequently used in cooking. If you have a bright, sunny window, you can even experiment with chili peppers or dwarf cherry tomatoes. For those with less light, leafy greens like spinach and kale, or even a variety of microgreens, are excellent choices as they grow quickly and require minimal space. Scallions and chives are also incredibly easy to grow and can be harvested repeatedly, making them perfect staples for any home chef's indoor oasis. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best indoor garden for kitchen ideas to spark your creativity. One, the rustic floating herb station. This design features chunky, reclaimed wood floating shelves mounted against a clean white backsplash. The contrast between the dark iron brackets and the warm wood creates a farmhouse aesthetic that is both functional and stylish. By placing small terracotta pots filled with fresh herbs directly under a window, this setup ensures the plants receive maximum natural light while keeping the countertops clear for food preparation. 2. The sun-drenched botanical nook. This idea utilizes a bright corner of the kitchen to create a seamless transition between the indoors and the backyard garden. Large potted plants like a fiddle leaf fig and monstera are placed on the floor near a glass door, while smaller trailing plants hang from the ceiling. A cozy window seat with cushions provides a perfect spot to enjoy the greenery, making the kitchen feel like an extension of nature itself. 3. The integrated gourmet greenhouse. A sophisticated approach where the kitchen and garden coexist in an open concept layout. This design features large sliding glass doors that open into a courtyard, while the interior is accented with tall, structural plants in clay pots. The use of natural wood flooring and minimalist white cabinetry allows the vibrant green of the foliage to become the primary focal point of the room. 4. The Mediterranean Outdoor Kitchen Pavilion. Perfect for those who love to entertain. This design showcases a fully equipped outdoor kitchen protected by a dark wood pergola. The stone walls are adorned with built-in planters and large potted palms, creating a luxurious resort-like atmosphere. It demonstrates how indoor comfort can be brought to an outdoor living space through the use of comfortable seating and lush, surrounding greenery. 5. Modern Minimalist Barbecue Gallery. This sleek design features a built-in stainless steel grill and a dual-zone beverage fridge set against warm wood paneling. The garden element is introduced through a long horizontal window that acts as a living picture frame, showcasing the dense trees outside. It's a brilliant way to bring the feeling of a garden into a high-end modern kitchen without taking up any internal floor space. 6. The Scandinavian Indoor-Outdoor Transition. This look focuses on airy, bright spaces with light wood floors and white cabinetry. Large folding glass walls disappear to connect the indoor island and prep area with an outdoor cooking station. Potted herbs are scattered throughout both spaces to create a cohesive flow, emphasizing a lifestyle centered around fresh air and fresh ingredients. 7. The Vertical Herb Pantry. Ideal for small spaces, this idea uses a series of wall-mounted black metal racks to hold dozens of seedling trays. Positioned near a large window, this wall of greens acts as a living wallpaper. It allows for a massive variety of plants, from lettuce to edible flowers, to be grown in a very small footprint, making it perfect for the serious home cook. 8. The Desktop Grow Light System. For kitchens with limited natural light, a dedicated hydroponic or LED grow light stand is a game changer. This compact unit fits perfectly on a granite countertop, providing the exact spectrum of light needed for herbs like spinach and chard to flourish. The sleek black frame and bright green leaves add a pop of high-tech nature to a traditional kitchen setting. 9. The Living Wall Backsplash. This creative idea involves mounting a pocket-style felt planter directly onto the wall above the counter. Filled with a variety of textures, from curly parsley to vibrant red flowers, this living backsplash is a stunning conversation piece. It keeps your favorite seasonings within arm's reach while you're chopping and prepping meals at the counter. 10. The Aeroponic Kitchen Tower. The ultimate in modern indoor gardening. This vertical aeroponic tower uses a recirculating water system to grow plants without soil. Its futuristic, white cylindrical design fits neatly into a corner and can grow dozens of plants simultaneously. With integrated lights, it ensures a constant harvest of kale, lettuce, and herbs all year round, regardless of the weather outside. Creating an indoor garden for your kitchen is one of the most rewarding home projects you can undertake. It's a journey that combines the art of interior design with the science of horticulture, resulting in a space that feeds both your body and your soul. Whether you start with a single pot of basil on the windowsill or go all out with a high-tech aeroponic tower, the presence of life and greenery will transform your kitchen into a more vibrant, healthy, and inspiring place to be. If you're ready to start your own indoor kitchen garden, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more green thumb inspiration. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Leave a comment below and tell us what you're planning to grow first. Also, check the description for links to some of our favorite indoor gardening tools to help you get started today.